Alright, so we wrote a little plugin to help you switch between two different things. In this case, languages. So we've got our primary language, which we want to display here, and then we can click this button and go back and forth like that. So that helps people. And you can see you can have multiple ones of these on a page. Added a little something here to make it a little bit easier. So we're still using the classic editor. So let's just show how this works though. So let's say this is our primary language, and whatever it is we want to say, we can highlight it, click this little button, and now it generates the shortcode for us, and we can just pop down and put in our alt text, which could be the other language or whatever. Once we've done that, we just update, go check it out, and then there we go. So hopefully that makes it easy and makes it clear kind of how it works and what the options are, and makes it a little easier to write.